Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate mousse. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Also, have a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Having everything measured and prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the rich chocolate base. Gently melt 8 ounces of your chosen dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until they become pale and thick. Gradually add the warm, melted chocolate to the egg yolk mixture, stirring constantly to combine everything smoothly. This step is crucial for a silky texture. Next, we'll add air for that signature light texture. In a chilled bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. In another very clean, dry bowl, whip your 4 egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. First, gently fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into your cooled chocolate base. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream. Finally, incorporate the stiff egg whites in 2 additions, being careful not to deflate the mixture. Almost there. Once everything is gently folded, spoon the mousse into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Cover it loosely with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set completely. Before serving, you can add a beautiful garnish like chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or some fresh raspberries. Now, you have a perfectly rich and airy chocolate mousse ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.